Alright, so the fireplace only had a little bit of tits and tats, and then somebody brought this office in from home, so I decided to show you guys. And this is the photocopy place. As you can see, clearly they're junk. Alright, so I got a small cleaner, guys. I brought it home because I gotta get the stuff off that I want off it before it goes to scrap. So it's just something more to toss off, as you guys are gonna see here. Still haven't gotten to the appliances yet. I'm hoping to get to them today, guys, but I gotta go make another pickup. I've still gotta go do the campground I have. So I'm gonna try and get it done here shortly. You guys already saw these. These are like out of the photocopiers, the big ones they attach onto. There's 2 of them on there, and then there was the odds and ends that I'm just gonna toss off here because I gotta get it off so I can go pick up the other stuff. I'm hoping to get that done and maybe get dryer and washer done. I'd like to get some of these appliances along here clean so I can get them shipped out this week. Wednesday, Thursday maybe, I can start loading this stuff and start hauling it. There's another stove over here, fridge is gonna be done. Yeah, little odds and ends. All the goodies, I gotta pick them up and throw them up there by the shop, which I gotta get done. As you can see, I got a pile of goodies over there. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I got an awful pile of stuff. I got even clean the hot water tank. It's got brass on top of it, so I'll get to that hopefully. Well, this week for sure. Just don't know what day yet. So anyhow, I gotta get this off so I get going. Alright, so I made it down to the campground. As you can see, guys, this is what's gotta go. No appliances that I can see in it. Just a barbecue, air conditioners. I don't know what else is in here, guys. I won't know until I get through it. There's some wire. So I'll get through this and get it on, and then I guess I'll show you when I get on the trailer. Alright, just stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I'm going to get to this dryer. So the only tools I'm going to need are, of course, my hammer and my wire cutters, because the motor in the bottom when I take it out, and these bits are the only thing I'm going to be using in my drill. So these right here. We're going to take the back off this, and this up here to take the top off. So we're going to get at this, and we'll see how this turns out for you guys. Of course, I'm going to cut these wires off too, so this will drop off. So I guess I'll do that first. Hold on here. Give these a quick snip snip. Hard to hold the camera with one hand and show you guys. So it might be like a little bit of this and that off here, guys. I'm just going to snip these. So I don't know how long this video is going to take, but somebody wants to know. So you know what? This is actually Zach wanted to know. So I'm going to show you what I take off these. I'm just going to snip this here so I can drop this bottom piece, so it's not hanging over. Like this, guys. Sorry. Sometimes my arm gets a little off. There. And the ground wire is already cut. Alright, so that's all we need to do with that. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this out, guys. Alright, so there's 2 stars holding it, guys. So I have one right here in my drill. I'm going to put back in it. And we're just going to pull these out. And I have a spot for screws, guys. Right now, I'm just going to throw them in that cleaner. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is we want to change bits again. Like I said, it's this time, and it's taking me a little longer, guys, because I got to hold the camera and I can't exactly use both hands for this. So it makes it a little bit more difficult for me. Normally I can whip through these pretty quick. So, and any screws I drop on the ground, I'm picking them up. And then again, I got to change the bit, because there are different bits in these. And if you don't have a drill and you don't have bits, just go with the screwdrivers. I actually have the screwdrivers out, guys. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get the back off this, guys, but all you do is just take the screws all at the back, and I'll show you here. I'm going to go on, because it's going to take me forever with one hand. Alright, so hold on. Okay, so I got all the screws off the back. I have not taken it off, as you can see. Simple, pretty basic, guys. Actually, sorry, I did miss one screw. Hold on. I missed a screw, guys, right here. As you can see, with one hand, it is difficult. So I dropped my screw again. Just hold on here. It's right on the ground here somewhere. Right there. I just don't like to leave them on the ground because I don't want to run over them. Anyhow, so yeah, I just peel this off, guys, just like that. That's a shred. Okay, so my next step, as you can see, there's already, there's a loonie in the corner, some pennies that we don't take. Well, the bank takes them if you roll them or whatever. And there's some other stuff in there too, some nickels, dimes. I'm not sure. I'm going to finish taking this apart. Get the top off it. The top now should just pretty much come right off. It's got a couple clips on it. See? Just like that. And then there's a couple right here we take out. You see these right here? And the front will fall off. So hold on, I'll change bits again. And I got a bit in my pocket. So it takes a little time consuming for me just to have to switch back and forth the bits. If I didn't have to do that with one hand, things would probably go a lot faster for me. So just bear with me, guys. I know it's tedious and it's not the best, but I got the bit away again. I got to switch hands again. And like I said, you can see it. You see what I see through the camera, guys. Sorry to... Screw's ready to fall through, and there's another one over here, guys. I try to show you guys what I'm seeing, but there, see? And then just, front just falls off, guys. Okay, well, put this back over here. I need the wire cutters. I'll show you why I'll need the wire cutters. Oh, look, there's a quarter. And these are paper shredders, what they're hole punches that I got today. By the way, guys, so I can get in here. So yeah, there's a quarter, and we're gonna cut this belt. So I just cut the belt on these guys just like that. Give me a second here. It's the belt that makes the thing go round and round. Attach the motor. And then you just pull this out. Some people use them as bonfires. I don't. I use bigger pieces. Alright, so we got change in the corner. There's 1/4. Like I said, I knew there was change in here, guys. And then I'm going to show you how to take the motor out of the shit. So give me 2 seconds and I'll do that. And all I do, guys, is just use my hammer. Try not to knock my tools down in here. Alright, sorry guys about the view. But all I do is just take, there's a bracket here. Bracket right there, and there's a bracket at the back. Sorry about the noise here, but I'm going to show you how to just pop them off. Pop off. Apparently doesn't want to pop off today. Well, there's one. See it laying there? The other one in the back is a little harder. It's a little harder to hit. Oh, it's not. It came right off. Look at that. See you guys? And then the other thing you got to do, once that's done, of course you have to take the wire off it, guys. I'll do this like that. Alright, and then I'll take you to the front here. I mean, normally I'd probably pick all the change up, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'll get to it in a minute. Alright, so the other thing that's got to be done yet, it just all fall on the ground. Oh, look at that. Here's some more tuning. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There's $3.25 and two pennies. And a bunch just fall on the ground down in there, if you can see it down in there. Don't know if you can or not. Alright, so I'm going to show you. I got to take this off yet. I don't know if I got the right bit in it or not. I do. So what you got to do is you want to take these out. Take all these out on the side here, guys. You can always tell when a dryer is toast. Anyhow, so we'll pick these screws up, guys. Fanatically about these because I don't want to get a flat. Like I said, I'm just throwing them in here. Alright, so all this does now is just pick this up, move it over, or you can shove it on down through, whatever you want to do with it. This person obviously didn't check their lint very often. It's probably the major cause of this one not wanting to stay. Look at, couldn't breathe. Isn't that awful? And all I do again is grab my hammer, which I believe, yes, I threw it down there, guys. Threw it on the tool thing. Okay, so all I do is just take this, guys, and smash it. Well, normally I have the extra hand to hold it, guys. So I'll try and hold it and not hit my camera. The motor will go right through now on the other side. Pull your wire off of this, guys. Pick up, of course, any of the money you got in it. And I will give you a head count. I like to just pull this wire off left. That's all that's left, guys. So all this wire is just going to be pulled off. That's it. Alright, so I will show you how much money you got here in a minute. Okay, so there's the goodies. You get a big pile of wire that comes out of them. And of course, don't forget the top piece, guys. Don't forget to clean it. This piece that I cut off, this piece here is aluminum. And pull your wire out of it, okay? The rest is the shred, okay? But make sure you take the front piece off. It is aluminum most times, okay? So, it will be tossed for me in the shop for winter. The copper, all that. The motors go with motors. Hey, don't matter if they're aluminum motors or copper motors. I just show them the motors. Alright, so as you can see, this one here, I'm surprised it didn't have a fire from all the lint. And they never cleaned their lint trap thing yet. That's the lint trap right there. See how bad that is? Yeah. Clean your lint out, guys, because it causes fires. It'll burn your house down if you don't pay attention to this stuff, okay? Always check your lint, guys, when you're done with your dryers, okay? Just take a look, okay? There's a fine example right there. I just wanted to show you guys. But yeah, so there's the goodies that come out of the dryer. And then, of course, don't forget all the change. I'll show you it. And it doesn't take much to clean them. If you hear rattling coming out of them, check them. Because look, there's like $1, $2. There's $3 right there. There's $4. Look at that. $5. $5, guys. $5 and change right there. This looks like a token of some sort. I'll just probably toss it in the brass because I don't have a use for it. That's what it looks like. It looks like a token for something, maybe video games or something. I don't know. So it's brass. All right, so we had $5 already, guys. $5 and change. We had 10, 20, 30. Let's see. We had 30, 35. So what do we got? We got where's 30? There's 60 cents. 64 cents. $5.64. That's not bad. And I think a few pieces fell out of it when I threw it off and I picked up. I think it was a nickel and a dime and I picked up. So probably almost close to $6. It was pretty close to 6. Not bad for change. And then I got myself a piece of brass. So, all right, that's it. It's all done. That is one appliance. Next will be the wash machine, but not today because, oh yeah, I didn't show you this, guys. I got it all loaded. The bar was hanging at the back, as you can see. That's how long it was, guys. It's a long bar. It's probably stuck in here. Oh yeah, it's wedged in there. Hopefully it'll come out. If not, then one good thing about it, I'll be using the tractor to get it out because I got to be able to get it back up on top. But anyhow, that's what I had down at the campground, and then the truck's got a bunch of goodies on it too. I'll show you guys what's on the truck here. Cords, piece of copper on the front. My dolly, of course, I took it with me just in case because I never know what's down there. And there's a whole mess of cords and stuff I got to cut off. The freezer I picked up beside the road, a little bar fridge. I picked up beside the road when I was heading down there, so. But anyhow, that's it. I'm not unloading it right now. I'm thinking probably I'm just going to leave the trailer the way it is and take it right on in. Because, you know, there's only steel on it and maybe the odd piece of aluminum that I can always pick off after. Throw it on the truck. So yeah, everything else on here can go except for the air conditioner. I got an air conditioner on there too that's got to come off, so. But I might just leave it on the trailer and then bring it home with me. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped, Zach. Like I said, I'll get to the washer next for you. Hopefully that was some help for you to show you what you take out of it. It's pretty basic, guys. It's not really that hard. That's what I take out of them, and it takes me out a few seconds usually because it took me longer because I only had one hand, and one hand I had to keep switching back and forth. And then, of course, I couldn't just reach over to grab the other tool with my other hand because, you know, got the camera hands. I definitely got to get a tripod for this, though. All right.